Markets continued to explode. Obviously, just another buying opportunity. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, March the 11th, and here we are with markets exploding higher once again. So apparently it was not the start of the bubble bursting, but it was the start of just the next leg higher as we look at the Dow up 340, the NASDAQ up 320, the S&P up 55, and the Russell up 450. So it's an explosion. Fortunately, we're long one index, the Dow, and short the other three. I would suspect that those will be changing tomorrow if this rally holds. And based on the way it's going, I see no reason to believe it won't hold. So, the markets are higher. That is, it's plain and simple. So it looks like the trend will probably change. And it looks like we're going to have to reverse with it. So no matter what we thought, this is why we trade mechanically and by the algorithms. We don't have to think about it. So in the meantime, the gold and silver are lower a little bit, as well as platinum. Now, again, they're in downtrend still. Now, they don't look as bad as they did, but they are still certainly in trends that are lower. And of course, we will continue to stay short until that changes. We don't try to change early. We don't try to read anything into it. We just plan. Okay. We see bonds and notes are higher again. And, again, this is, they should be higher. They are lower. My mistake. Okay. I looked at it wrong, but, this is something that, again, we need to remember that is something that does ring with trouble out there because they should be higher. Okay, interest rates are going down or trying to stay down. They should be higher, and of course the no inflation kick is another story. But again, we do have inflation, but nobody wants to admit to it. So so they're lower, and we're still short those. Crude is spiking higher once again. We're long crude. Nat gas is slightly higher, and we are short. Copper is up and we are short. Okay. And the dollar is lower. And, of course, we're long. So we're pretty backwards at the moment. But that, again, that's part of it. We don't, I don't get too concerned over momentary lapses or short bursts of, because we will get to the right side. And if the moves continue and they extend, that's when we clean up. And that's what we're waiting for. It's the ability to play and not be emotional and allow yourselves the opportunity to hit home runs. That's what it comes down to. So again, I don't get too concerned about it. It is what it is, and we will certainly be ready when it's time to get whichever way. Okay, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to always be on the right side of the market. In the meantime, the grains, corn and beans are coming back slightly, but they're not up very much. But they did hold support. Wheat is now down at support as well. It is a little bit low today. The meats are slightly mixed. Feeder cattle is lower. Fat cattle is lower. Hogs are higher. And the softs are up across the board, and we're short most of them. Cotton, OJ, coffee, sugar, and long cocoa. So again, we're on the wrong side of number of markets at this time, and usually we're on the right side. But again, when you start to get a little bit of chop, this is kind of what happens to you. And you just, again, you roll with the punches without allowing your emotions to overtake you. Okay. Remember, our partners at Family Farms, what a great partner. And of course, we've got the same goal, taking care of our farmers and helping them lock in better prices and giving them better ways to hedge for better prices. And again, it's our goal to help them as much as we can. So that's the great relationship between us and Family Farms. And of course, we have two brokers that we use. Now, I have many brokers that I have, but I prefer for commodities and futures, the CTG group. As I tell you every day, they are the best at customer service. They are the best at what we do, and they have the only authorized of our vendors of letter of direction. Okay. And that's where my accounts are traded as well. They do my letter of direction trading as well. So it works out very nicely. And they will always help their customers and our members, which is what we're trying to get to, is the ability to have that kind of service. And of course, they have also some great managed futures products. So if you, would like to check them out, you can go to the CTG group, or you can email me at bub@bubbatrading.com, and I will be happy to send you their information. And then for equities and options, trade here. And again, $10 a month is the first part. Okay. Part number 2 is we have their API, so we have the ability to automate trading for you if you choose. Now, you don't have to. It's not a requirement. You don't have to go to Trader. You stay where you're at if you want. But I just say $10 a month. To me, that's enough reason right there alone on how much money I'm going to save. And our commodity report, Andy Heck, nobody does a better job, and nobody understands the markets better. And of course, we just did a webinar. If you'd like to check it out, just email me at bub@bubbatrading.com. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. Lots of college basketball today, so enjoy it, because 1 year ago today, we were not doing anything. We were canceling away. So we're on the other side of the COVID. Let's go get them, and everybody have a great day. And let's see what the markets bring for us. But right now, it looks like they just want to go higher. We'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Have a great day. This is Bubba's Daily Update.